We have a SolarEdge 11,400 inverter on the wall, getting wired in. It's almost complete. And if we look over this way, we have 16,000 watts of SealFab 310 watt solar panels. They're almost complete as well. They're looking good. I'm pretty excited about getting this system in. We're hoping it'll run the entire farm. That's the game plan anyways, at least net zero it out. No batteries at this point. I just think it's cost prohibitive really to do the batteries right now. And it would be pretty easy to swap out inverter and put in a battery bank system in case of an emergency if we needed to. But right now, this is what we have. Got a little bit of straightening to do on those first 2 rows before we decided to start stringing. And last 3 rows look really good. First 2 rows are a little wavy. I got to go back and straighten them up a little bit. But other than that, it's coming together, looking pretty good. Inverter's on the wall right over there. And this job's almost complete. But that's not all.